Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, welcome back to my organization. This is MK. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a bootable pen drive very easily. For that I will need a Windows DVD. You can use also ISO file from internet and a flash pen drive. You can use 16 GB or 32 GB. So in this video I am going to use 16 GB pen drive. So let's turn on into computer and I am going to show you how to make a bootable pen drive. First of all, put DVD disk and pen drive into your computer and just click on. This is my 16 GB pen drive and this is DVD ROM. Now I am going to install a software named Windows to Pen Drive. You can easily find it Google Windows to Pen Drive. After install the software, just open it. Okay, this is software. Now click on quick format here and just you can see my pen drive is here. Drive name is I. If I go into computer, you can see the removable disk is drive name is I. So it's my pen drive and just click on drop the source file here. So I'll just click on it and select the DVD ROM. Here you can see the file size is increasing. Finished, then click on do it and just wait some time, maybe 30 to 40 minutes or more or less. I think it's done. Now click on do it. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. Okay. Warning, formatting will erase all data on your disk. To process, click on OK. I am really sure, so I just click on OK. Now it's formatting my flash disk, my pen drive. Okay, now click on yes. Flash drive formatted, bootloader flashed, and writing content is creating. Okay friends, after 19 minutes it's done. So I just click on now computer and my flash disk. It's if I go into inside, you can see it's ready to set up. It's a fully operational bootable pen drive. So friends, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you to make a bootable pen drive. If you need any kind of help or suggestion, please leave me a comment. I will definitely reply your question. If you don't subscribe this channel, please subscribe and click the notification icon for further video. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?